Got a new bottle build. Want to get you involved? Stay tuned. Welcome back to FrankNCarrie's Adventures. Got a new build for you. It's going to be the AMT 2016 Chevy Camero. I want to get you involved in on this one. I want to know down in the comments, what color should I paint this? A red color? Or we can go a purple, we can go a black pearl, we can go a white pearl, we can go a blue metallic. But put it down in the comments of what you think, what color I ought to paint it, what the interior color ought to be. Let's see what's in the kit. First off, you got the body. That's what the body looks like. Well detailed, really clean. Subframe, same way, it's really clean. There's the interior. You got seats, door panels, well detailed. Subframe, more parts of the motor. It's even got individual wiper blades. Everything is well detailed. More engine parts, shocks, stuff like that. Mirrors, more engine parts, disc brakes, hood, spoiler, more subframe, exhaust system, tires, glass, which is nice. Got the black trim around it, tail lights on the chrome. There's the wheels. Some more chrome. There's the decals. And your instruction book. It does not say what level it is. But looking at everything, I'm going to probably call it maybe a level 3, level 4. There's a lot of stuff to do. A lot of parts. So anyway, that's going to be our next build. Put it down in the comments what color you think I ought to paint it. What do you think would look good? What color interior? We'll shoot for it. Alright, I'll be looking forward to them comments. We'll see how it goes. We'll see you on the next video. Now here's some videos you can watch. While you're here, why don't you check out some of these other videos. It's going to be right up here, right in this area over here somewhere. Just watch it for it in this area over here.